Everyone, today's topic is determination of volume of logs. For calculation of logs, portion of trees which had been cut to different sizes depending upon taper or the need of length. Following formula are in use. First one is, if the log is almost cylindrical, B is equal to S into L, where S is basal area, that is pi d square upon 4 or G square upon 4 pi, and L is the length of log. Second formula, if the log has some taper, then its volume can be obtained by taking basal area at 1 or 2 or more points. There are three formula to measure the volume. First one is B barabar Sm into L. It is called Huber's formula, where Sm basal area at middle of the log. Second, B is equal to S1 plus 4Sm plus S2 upon 6 into L. This is called Newton's formula, where S1 and S2 are basal area at end point of log. Sm basal area at middle of the log. 4Sm basal area at 4 different points in between edges of log. And third formula, B is equal to S1 plus S2 divided by 2 into L. This is called Small-n formula. Newton's formula gives more accurate volume, but it is also cumbersome and it is difficult to calculate the volume of logs. To have more accurate results, Newton's formula can be further modified. Instead of taking only one middle point and multiplying it with 4, one can take basal area at 4 different points between S1 and S. Third formula is quarter girth formula or Hapu's rule. It is B is equal to G upon 4 pi ka whole square into L, where G is girth of log at middle and L is length of log. In this formula, pi of basal area, G square upon 4 pi of first formula above is replaced by 4. Hence, the volume derived from this formula is 21.5% lesser than the formula given in first one above, that is B barabar S into L. I am giving here an example so that you may clearly understand it, how to calculate the volume of taper logs. If a tree is having 25 meter length, its one end is 20 centimeter and another end is 5 centimeter, whereas at 5 meter from higher diameter end it is 18 centimeter, at 10 meter 13 centimeter, at 15 meter 10 centimeter, and at 20 meter 9.2 centimeter. Find out variation in volume calculated using different formula. The log has dimensions as mentioned in figure 62. You see the logs. Total log length is 25 meter. At higher diameter end, the diameter is 20 centimeter. At lower diameter, that is 5 centimeter. Now, volume calculated by formula given at first above, that is V is equal to S into L, used only for cylindrical logs. However, here it is given for comparison with other methods, because S barabar pi d square upon 4. That is 3.14 is the value of pi. 20 ka whole square upon 4 is equal to 331.4 square centimeter. Again it is multiplied by length of the log, that is 25.0314 into 25, it comes to 0.785 cubic meter. Volume calculated by Huber's formula, B is equal to Sm into L, because mid of 25 meter tree is 12.5 meter. So, diameter will be an average of 13 centimeter plus 10 centimeter as presented by dotted lines in figure 62. That is 13 plus 10 divided by 2, it comes to 11.5 centimeter. Therefore, Sm is equal to pi d square upon 4, 3.14, 11.5 ka whole square upon 4, it comes to 103.81 square centimeter. Now, this should be multiplied with length of the logs, that is 25 meter, 0.010381 into 25, it comes to 0.2595 cubic meter. Volume calculated by Newton's formula, B is equal to S1 plus 4Sm plus S2 divided by 6 into L, where S1 pi d square upon 4, 3.14 into 20 का whole square upon 4, it comes to 314 square centimeter. S2 pi d square upon 4, 3.14 into 5 का whole square upon 4, it comes to 19.62 square centimeter. SM midpoint of log will be 12.5 meter. From either side at 10 meter the diameter of log is 13 centimeter and at 15 meter it is 10 centimeter. So the diameter at midpoint will be 11.5 centimeter. So at the midpoint basal area would be pi d square upon 4, 3.14, 11.5 whole square upon 4. It comes to 103.82 square centimeter. Now put these values in the formula. B is equal to 0.314 plus 4 into 0.010382 plus 0.001962 divided by 6 and multiplied by 25. Now volume comes 0.3120 cubic meter. Volume calculated by modified Newton's formula. B is equal to S1 plus 4 Sm 1 to 4 plus S2 upon 6, where S1 pi d square upon 4, 3.14 into 20 का whole square upon 4, 314 cubic square centimeter. S2 pi d square upon 4, 3.14, 5 का square upon 4, it comes to 19.62 square centimeter. SM1 pi d square upon 4, 3.14 into 18 का whole square upon 4, it comes to 254.34 square centimeter. SM2 pi d square upon 4, 3.14, 13 का whole square upon 4, it comes to 132.66 square centimeter. SM3 pi d square upon 4, 3.14, 10 का whole square upon 4, it comes to 78.5 square centimeter. SM4 pi d square upon 4, 3.14 into 9.2 का whole square upon 4, it comes to 66.44 square centimeter. Now put these values in the formula. B is equal to 0.0314 plus 0.02543 plus 0.013266 plus 0.00785 plus 0.006644 plus 0.001962 divided by 6, and volume comes B is equal to 0.3606 cubic meter. Volume calculated by Small formula. B is equal to S1 plus S2 divided by 2 into L. B is equal to S1 is 0.314 plus 0.001962 is the S2 divided by 2 and multiplied by length of logs, that is 25. Volume comes B is equal to 0.417025 cubic meter. Volume calculated by quarter girth formula. B is equal to G upon 4 whole square into L. The middle of the log is 12.5 meter and at this place diameter is 11.5 centimeter. As calculated earlier, to convert diameter into girth, we divide diameter with a factor 0.3182 because diameter is equal to girth into 0.3182, this is the factor. So girth at middle point of the log would be G is equal to 11.5 divided by 0.3182, that is 36.14 centimeter. Now put these values in the formula. B is equal to 0.3614 upon 4 whole square into 25. Volume comes, that is B is equal to 0.2040 cubic meter. Comparison volume calculated by among different formula. Formula volume of cylinder S into L, Huber's formula, Newton's formula, Small's formula, quarter girth formula and modified Newton's formula. As earlier you have already calculated these volumes by using these formula. So it is shown in the table. You see the variation in percentage. The modified Newton's formula will give almost accurate volume due to measurement of log at varied points. Hence, it is compared with the rest of the formula. Above comparison signifies that Huber, Quatermath and Newton's formula underestimate the volume, whereas volume of cylinder and Small-n formula overestimate the volume. However, Newton's formula is more close to the actual volume followed by Small-n formula. Hence, these can be applied and accordingly the percent increase or decrease can be added to get the accurate volume. I am again giving one more example. If the Forester used Huber formula to calculate volume of logs because it requires only one reading, that is at middle of the log. Say there were 5 logs of 25 meter and their mid diameter and volume calculated by Huber formula were as follows. The mid diameter of 5 logs is 12.5, 10.5, 11.5, 5.6 and 9.8. Their volume calculated by Huber method is 0.2595, 0.2162, 0.2575, 0.0615, 0.1884. Deviation in volume calculation in Huber's formula compared to modified Newton's formula, see table 20. 28.03 upon 100 into 0.2595, it comes to 0.727. This is the deviation. So, you should add this deviation with the volume calculated by the Huber's formula. Then you come close to the accurate volume. It comes to 0.3322. Likewise, you calculate for deviations for all logs and add it. The values are added because Huber's formula calculates lesser volume than the actual volume. For Small-n's formula, the values obtained will be deducted because Small-n's formula overestimates the volume. Now, fourth, volume of log can also be measured using basal area of the tree. Method of basal area calculation is given in section 5.6. If basal area of the log is 0.017 square meter and length of log is 20 meter, the volume of the log would be, volume is equal to basal area into length. Basal area 0.017 into 20, all logs are of 20 meter in length, so it comes to 0.34 cubic meter. The above case can be applied when the log is uniform in size from one end to other. However, if log is long and is tapering from one end to other end, the above method of volume calculation will overestimate the volume. In conditions where log is tapering, volume is estimated by using form factor. In such cases, in addition to basal area and length, form factor is calculated by the method given in the section 5.3 under the subheading mathematical means. Say for example, length of the fell tree is 20 meter. Its basal area is 0.017 and form factor is 0.256. Calculate its volume. It is very easy to calculate. Volume is equal to basal area into length into form factor. Put these values, basal area 0.017, length of the logs 20 meter into form factor 0.256. Now volume comes to 0.087 cubic meter. Thank you for patient hearing.